if you're implementing something on the janta, then probably the decision makers also have to implement it on themselves, Do away with all your cars and convoy and stuff and try and go by the metro for a month and 2 months and then you tell me. And for people, I mean, I'm not saying that everybody should be allowed, but someone who's just recovered from a cervical is going in a metro, धक्के खा रहे हैं, ये खा रहे हैं, वो खा रहे हैं, मतलब प्लीज़ यार, मेरी तरह तो और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं. So should senior citizens at 60, 70 in the night, in the ठंड, be traveling in strange cars? I mean, are you expect? Is this your plan? That we are inconvenient, we are paying double the price, triple the price for a distance which costs me like what, 300 rupees on an average. I should pay 3,000 bucks every day. Are you going to refill my money? Are you going to give me my money? This is a question I had before the decision makers in Delhi, that are you going to refund my money? Am I going to get my money back? And then I don't know how this works, and this is for people who are doing well in life. We've got a situation before us, and this is no way where you have an extreme action plan of calling off all the cars and vehicles off the road and stuff. So, our request is please relook into this and stuff and have the roads working, because it's really putting people in inconvenient spots and stuff. I don't expect people in the age of 70s and 80s to travel by metro. This is totally impractical, and families which are supposed to travel, families which are supposed to go together, someone who's unwell or something is going to travel by a metro. That's so unbelievably senseless. There is no thought in this. And then we are being given this assurance that Delhi कि गवर्नमेंट जो है वो एक प्लान पे वर्क कर रही है. ये अगर आपका प्लान है तो आपने कोई काम ही नहीं करा. ये तो मेरे जैसा बंदा भी आपको बता सकता है कि आपको क्या मतलब डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. आपको ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए कि आप लोगों को बिल्कुल एक थॉटलेस तरीके से ट्रीट करें और इतना मतलब एक्सट्रीम स्टेप लें. सो कमिंग बैक टू दिस, कॉफ़ी टेस्ट नाइस. I'm on a forced holiday. So wishing everybody good fun and enjoyment. Have the best of the times. Enjoy yourself. Make some good memories. Look at the best of this. It can be really boring when you can't do long distances because of whatever shit situation we are in and stuff. So let's stay optimistic about it, and let's assert and push the idea of please do away with the ban and practice whatever you preach, whoever is implementing this on the janta. Yeah, jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapani@gmail.com. Metro is good, roadways is good, infrastructure, all of it in place is good, but the reality is things are not in control. And this is something which you have to really, really accept and acknowledge, because you can't fool educated people and, professional people and stuff. Below the line wale aapke chakkar mein aa sakte hain, but educated log nahi aa sakte. So this is the fact. And I think I speak very well, and I normally appreciate the plans and the way forward of the government in power. But honestly speaking, this is our way to function. And the second thing is the dirt around us, the muck around us, the gand around us, the garbage around us. And we are saying our infrastructure is improving, we've got new stuff happening, but is the real picture clear? I was traveling from Chandigarh. The whole station is so dirty. And take a look at the metro stations here. Gurgaon, where I stay, Delhi, Noida I come to, the whole area where I travel every day, 25 minutes it takes for me to cross a flyover. There is garbage lying all across that underpass, and then you're having all these amazing announcements being made. Great. I mean, yes, full appreciation, full 200% marks, and full recognition and gratitude for the hard work done and stuff. But reality यही है. आप बाहर देखिए, अभी विंडो से कहीं भी वॉक करिए, आपको नुक्स एंड कॉर्नर्स में अभी भी गंद नज़र आएगा. तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में जहाँ इतनी बात हो रही है, वहाँ हमारे को प्लीज़ आप थोड़ा वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के बारे में भी बताइए और करिए और दिखाइए हमें कि हो रहा है काम. क्योंकि हम जहाँ जाते हैं वहाँ हम अपनी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट भी कर रहे हैं. एंड एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री वी हैव एवरी राइट टू क्वेश्चन कि हो क्या रहा है, हो भी रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. रोज़ हम देख रहे हैं कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जापान को बीट कर रहा है, चाइना को बीट कर रहा है, बट बाकी चीज़ों में क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं हम ये किसी को बीट. So once we are there, please do make sure that you're sharing this on the necessary forums of all the hardworking and smart working people in leadership positions of the present government in power. Delhi, though, definitely I make it a point to follow on my own and stuff, because half the things I'm not very convinced with and stuff. So take care. So cheers and love and luck. And remember to be high in life. You do not need drugs or drinks and stuff. You can enjoy on your own. If you follow me on my social media, please do not follow or form an impression that I drink a lot, because most of the pictures of me that you see me in the pubs or in the restaurants are all old pictures, and all those pictures are actually of me with my friends and stuff partying around, but half the time the glasses uh, are with water or with fresh lime soda or something like that. So that's that. Okay, so hope that helps. Love and luck and take care. Bye bye. Cheers.